Okay guys, I'm going to strap my phone to the bottom of a plane, and we're going to fly around and see what happens. Right now we're prepping it. I'm going to start recording to go on the... where's the little...
Arrangement.
Okay, here we go. It's recording. Make sure not to adjust. It's recording right now. Yes. Make sure not to center gravity. Forward. Right there. You gotta put on a piece of tape. That'll be good. You sure? I would put another one to hold it down. Yeah, get a piece of tape. Something that's completely on, no air can get in. No, we'll get another one. Okay. But now we have no idea if it's recording or not. You don't? Nope. I pressed record and it was recording. PC recording. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Oh. Yell at him and tell him we're on. Hey guys, we're in the backyard, come here! I got the shed, I'm gonna get that. You got it? Hey guys! Hey! Hey! Come back! Tell everybody to come here! Okay. You're strapped to the bottom of the plane. Let's see what happens. Yes, pull hard. Got it? recording. Yes!